Okay, so here in Ebute Metal, we just finished this installation and we are powering this apartment here. You can see. So this is the system we are using. So we installed this system here because this is the best place we found to install it. So you can see. So currently, you can see this is what we are consuming from the inverter. So the inverter is about 27% currently, and this is what we are discharging from the battery, about 32 amps. So you can see the battery is actually dead. So this is the system and the installation. Okay, so all neatly done. You can see. So protection box in place, fire extinguisher is inside, so we are not using an external one. So contact us if you want something like this. Thank you. So this is it.